Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So let's start with a chilling thought. What if one key could get into almost any secure server online? And nope, this isn't some movie plot. We're talking about a real digital heist that almost succeeded. The target, a tool you've probably never heard of, but that protects everything: OpenSSH.
Think of it as the silent guardian for banks, hospitals, and even critical government infrastructure.
Now, you can't just break into OpenSSH. It's a fortress. The attackers needed a digital side door.
So instead of a direct assault, they attacked one of its trusted suppliers. Super clever and super dangerous.
And the plan was a masterpiece of digital crime, a patient, multi-step master plan.
This wasn't a quick job. An attacker, known as Jia Tan, spent over 2 years setting this trap.
The malicious code got wrapped in a legit update, ready to infect millions of systems worldwide. With that key, an attacker could spy, hold data for ransom, or even shut down entire countries. So how was this sophisticated plot discovered? You're not going to believe it. By complete chance.
His curiosity about this tiny half-second delay literally saved the internet from disaster.
He dug in, unraveled the entire plot, and blew the whistle, alerting the entire world. The day was saved.
So, why should you care? Because this story points to a huge weakness in the internet's foundation.
You can bet this was a massive wake-up call for the entire tech world. It was a real gut check moment.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.